so glad you clicked on this video. It really means a lot to me. Listen, it's the end of January, and February 1st starts our new catalog, okay? And that means that this bad boy, our fall 2025 catalog, started in September, goes away, okay? So you know there's amazing stuff in it, absolutely amazing stuff. Who has tried the Bakuchiol moisturizer? Me. My face has never looked so good. Oh my gosh, it's been, and so listen, I have a sneak peek to share with you. Ready? Oop, oop, oop. All the reflections in the world, Tracy. Okay. I have to put my phone down and I'll show you the whole darn catalog. However, much of what's in the catalog is coming with, and there's new stuff. I promise you, you're going to want to check it all out. That's not totally why I'm here today. For those of you who don't know me, hey, my name's Tracy Hyde. I'm a leader with Jordan Essentials. Just attended our leadership summit that was hosted in Dallas this year. Absolutely phenomenal information. We got sneak peeks. We got all kinds of great things. I love being a leader with Jordan Essentials. On top of it, I'm a school social worker. Yes, you can do this in the pockets of your time. I just want you to know that. As a school social worker, sometimes things get really, really heavy. I also have health issues, and so that gets really, really heavy. And so the cool thing, I guess, that I will say, one of the coolest things is Jordan Essentials allows me to find my creativity, to I can be excited about something. I'm not excited about being a school social worker. It is a passion for me. I love to help others. This is like a joyous help others. Being a school social worker can be really heavy, and Jordan Essentials always picks me up. Okay, so another reason, one of the big reasons, or the big reason why I'm here today, is when we had our leadership summit and they revealed the new catalog to all of the consultants, they also dropped a brand new consultant kit. New. Totally redone. I have one on its way to me right now. Because as a leader, we're able to purchase a new consultant kit because we need to have everything that's in it. And I promise you, you would not be sorry if you were a leader too. So, so here is our new consultant kit. So the Bakuchiol moisturizer that has been doing amazing things to my face is in there. Our HydraGlow, which I love. This is our eye serum. I use all three of them every day. I just can't. I can't stop smiling about it. There's samples. There's great stuff in here. This is a new fragrance that we have. It's called Fresh Lime Mint Lime. Fresh mint lime. And, it's cute. Listen, I'm still learning, right? They give us tools. We got this. Our peppermint mag lotion, our renew stick, our best sellers right there. It's full of our best sellers, and our Helio, which, if you don't know my story, super quick version. I'm hypermobile. I have lots of aches and pains. I'm being tested for Ehlers-Danlos. My body hurts all day, every day. I couldn't sleep at night, right? When your body hurts, you can't rest, or you can't get comfortable enough to rest. Helio changed that for me. And I will climb on any mountain you want me to, and I will scream it for everybody to know. Helio is amazing. And if you have never ever tried it and you have aches and pains, I'm going to recommend the shea butter to you. The stick is wonderful. The spray is wonderful. The shea butter for me is where it's at. Okay. Moving on. This amazing kit, look at it. Normally $49. I just paid $49 for this kit. From now until the end of February, it is $24.50. We are celebrating in the month of February our 26th birthday, Jordan Essentials 26th birthday. So we celebrate with a half price kit. You can get it today from let's see, today is, I don't have the right watch on, or the white watch face. So today is January 25th. You can get it today, from today until February 28th. I'm going to have a link in the comments below how you can reach me, and I will help you grab it. I will help you launch your business and like host your first party. Get all the additional free stuff that goes along with it. It's a lot of information. I don't want to inundate you with it right here. If you're curious, comment below, or in that first comment below, you'll find a way that you can message me. I would love for you to message me and say, tell me about your half price kit. I got you. Okay? Super duper easy. They do this every year. It's a great thing to keep going. Okay. So don't wait until the end of February. If you don't see this until the end of February, go ahead, still message me. But if you're watching this today on January 25th, message me today. Let me help you grab it. People love new catalogs. You could get your kit. I'll come, if you're local, I'll come do a party for you or help you. I'll do a launch party for you. We'll have a ball. I'll bring brownies. Listen, we'll have a blast. And then you'll earn more free stuff. You'll be a host and a consultant, and you'll have that 25% discount. If you would like to earn income with this kit, I can teach you how to do that. If you would like to grow a team and make more money, you can make money with this. If you want to run it as a full-time business, you can run it as a full-time business. If you want to run it as a hobby, you can run it as a hobby. You can work in the pockets of time that you have. Some people have deeper pockets. I already said I have a full-time job as a school social worker. My pockets aren't deep, so I have to be really productive in the time that I spend being a Jordan Essentials consultant. So I have to focus, I have to plan ahead, I have to set goals. So we can do this together. I'm happy to help you. Okay, so in that first comment below, find a way to reach out to me or comment that you're interested, and I will get you all of the information. I will schedule a call with you if you'd like. We can do those things. Okay. So let me help you. Let me help you. Okay. All right. So if you haven't already, come on and click that subscribe button first. Like my video, share with somebody that you think maybe needs to know about the half price kit, about Jordan Essentials, products, period. Did my Helio story touch a nerve for you? Let's talk, okay? And then, so subscribe, like, share, and then do me one more favor. Would you go and watch another video? Thanks so much. Have a beautiful day. I hope it's not terrible weather where you are. I'm in Michigan. We got more snow coming. It's kind of a hassle, but it's winter, so we're gonna make it through. Okay, I'll see you guys real soon. Bye.